Like knock down ginger, rip off the hinges, fingers get bent back like birds off Tinder, boys get flung out the window.
Fingers get bent back like girls from Tinder. Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, here with Pete and Boss, my grandfather. You know my grandfather them, right? Yes. One by my mother's side, one by my father's side. My grandfather them. Yes. Reacting to them with Sindhu Sesh. Sindhu Sesh. Big up yourself. Sindhu Sesh on the channel as well. So, take off my glasses, great to get grimy and now, cause you don't know my grandfather them I react, so you know me get excited. These two are like literally two of my favorite where do the music in the UK. Like them two are just legend, like bro. Like so much respect and admiration for them two. Two gentlemen here. But let's go. 9, Season 1. Okay, this is a new season or something. Okay. Ready? Ding 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 ding. Bombo clot. Wait man. Ding ding ding. Take off it. Throw that blood clot. Ready? Show me that. Ready?
I still buy shots, I'm a luger. Mashed off the drinks as Uber.
Okay. So them have to look for help me, for people like me that need the lyrics. Alright, me good. Thanks.
But I still bust shots, I'm a luger.
Old school, but me still bust shots, I'm a black clot. Look, how you can rap with me? On bad like my granddad. Old school, but him still bust shot. First bar got me cranked up. Fuck. Eh? Old school, but me still bust shots, I'm a luger.
Mashed off the drinks as Uber. Connected back home like a Wi-Fi router. Cats jumping like Puma. And I dream like Martin Luther. Fall asleep to the sound of the Hoover.
I had a dream, like Martin Luther, fall asleep on the side of the Hoover. What?
Cats jumping like Puma, and I dream like Martin Luther. Fall asleep to the sound of the Hoover. Nightmare, Frederick.
Oh, fall asleep to the sound of the Hoover. Okay, you know that. But I say fall asleep to that. Move on the blood clot. Sleeping.
And I dream like Martin Luther. Fall asleep to the sound of the Hoover. Nightmare, Frederick Krueger. Sleep with the fishies, now his tuna. I'm snatching his bird and thunder. Tell me the target 6 feet under. He's at work, so his ass in country. Case that joint in the place got plundered.
Clot. Who in the UK more consistent than them two, yeah? Who is in the UK are more want to tell me in the comment section. Who in the UK is more consistent than these two? Please tell me. Tell me.
Cats jumping like Puma, and I dream like Martin Luther. Fall asleep to the sound of the Hoover. Nightmare, Frederick Krueger. Sleep with the fishies, now his tuna. I'm snatching his bird and thunder. Tell me the target 6 feet under.
I'm snatching his bird of thunder. Tell me the target 6 feet under. Dead.
Sleep with the fishies, now his tuna. I'm snatching his bird and thunder. Tell me the target 6 feet under. He's at work, so his ass in country. Case that joint in the place got plundered. Don't talk about numbers in the UK, you know that they love us. Don't care about colours, black and white, we can be brothers.
I agree with everything you said, but apart from one thing. Don't say that they don't love you. Them love you. Them love you, brother. Sorry, not brother. Granddad, them love you. You also said, no matter which color we are, black or white, we're still brother. Who know my brother? Who know my grandfather? Bumbuckler.
He's at work, so his ass in country. Case that joint in the place got plundered. Don't talk about numbers in the UK, you know that they love us.
You know that they love us. Okay, I'm sorry. That's what you said. You know that. Me know that them love you. Me know, don't talk about numbers. In the UK, them love you.
Case that joint in the place got plundered. Don't talk about numbers in the UK, you know that they love us. Don't care about colours, black and white, we can be brothers. Breaking them down like steps on the back of the box of the croc. I bet you take that.
He always fucking goes off on some crazy shit. You need to chill out, granddad. Man, you catch a heart attack. Chill out, dog.
Black and white, we can be brothers. Breaking them down like steps on the back of the box of the croc. I bet you take that. Bye. I'm just way too hard to trace past love pins in the nightstand. Wait, move that internet side the gym. They're trying to get ripped. I'm holding them sticks of extension clips. I'm leaving them stiff in the...
My problem is right now. What I'm doing is me I try to read everything when I say no. Fucking listen. Don't read. Fucking listen. Don't read. Yeah? Huh? You can't keep up. You can't blood clot keep up. Oh, so don't read. Listen.
I bet you take that. Wait, I'm just way too hard to trace past love pins in the nightstand. Wait, move that internet side the gym. They're trying to get ripped. I'm holding...
No, sir. I have to go read. Sorry, I have to go back to reading. I have to go back to reading. He's going too fast.
To trace past love pins in the nightstand. Wait, move that internet side the gym. They're trying to get ripped. I'm holding them sticks of extension clips. I'm leaving them stiff in the grand get lit.
You're violent. You are violent. But I love it. I love it.
Inside the gym, they're trying to get ripped. I'm holding them sticks of extension clips. I'm leaving them stiff in the grand get lit. Like candles, wax them off with that bing from various angles. Box, rectangle, dash in the grand, all bruised and mangled. Grim, grab the cup, pass the gin. Grab the line, chopped it up. Pop the cap, poured it in.
Yo. I asked the question before, I'm gonna ask it again. And it's not to disrespect these two. Like, these two are my granddad. Them have a ghostwriter or something? Them have a ghostwriter or something? Come on, dog. Like, come on.
Grab the cup, pass the gin. Grab the line, chopped it up. Pop the cap, poured it in. Just stepped out, I had to step in. One of the young boys took a hook to the chin. The bouncer came out and he got weighed in. I put the foot down in the clutch and spin. Burn that rubber like I'm Michelin. 5-star food that I dish to them. Chef sat on when I whip into the kitchen and I switch suits like I'm Mr. Ben.
Suit like I'm Mr. Ben.
Star food that I dish to them. Chef sat on when I whip into the kitchen and I switch suits like I'm Mr. Ben. 10 gear, I shift up to 5th. Blues in the rear and I'm swerving the mains like Tokyo Drift.
Spin that coupe. Yo! Yeah, we love them too, yeah, dog. No joke.
The Ben. 10 gear, I shift up to 5th. Blues in the rear and I'm swerving the mains like Tokyo Drift. Took a shot, but he missed. Then made love to the ground and kissed the girl.
Took a shot, then he missed. Then make love to the ground, he kissed. Knock him out. Whop! Love him, I mate.
When the mains like Tokyo Drift. Took a shot, but he missed. Then made love to the ground and kissed the girl. What's the word? I dodge your case, so I flip the bird. Grab the...
What? Where the flare come from, though?
Then made love to the ground and kissed the girl. What's the word? I dodge your case, so I flip the bird. Grab the bing, get back to work, and I'm switching lanes in the black town.
Fuck! Where the flare come from?
Drift, took a shot, but he missed. Then made love to the ground and kissed the girl. What's the word? I dodge your case, so I flip the bird. Grab the bing, get back to work, and I'm switching lanes in the black town.
Chip, Yami J, you know that, right? Bugsy, Yami J, you know that, right? And a few others, very talented, very talented UK artists, Yami J, you know that, right? Them two are my favorite right now. Them two are my favorite right now. I cannot lie. I cannot hide it. These two are my favorite right now in the UK. Yes.
Dodge your case, so I flip the bird, grab the bing, get back to work, and I'm switching lanes in the black town. I'll hurt him. One thing's for sure and two things for certain. When he gets made,
Bumbuckler, I'll hurt him. One thing, yo, like the pause show you how confident he fucking is, bro. But that, like, what him say, I will hurt him. I feel it, and I feel it. I'll hurt him. Listen.
I'll hurt him. One thing's for sure and two things for certain. When he gets made in the packs, I'm serving him. Mess with a cake and I bet him burger him. Tippling, missed him, run up in his ass and gripped him. Mrs. cried goodbye and kissed him.
Run up in the house and gripped him. Mrs. cried goodbye. Yeah, what my son now? Wait. Listen, my son. Wait, dog.
And gripped him, Mrs. Packs, I'm serving him. Mess with a cake and I bet him burger him. Tippling, missed him, ran up in his ass and gripped him. Mrs. cried goodbye and kissed him. Stuffed him in the boot of the Jag and then she watched us drive off in the distance. Christening, jewels on the watch and the wrist get hit with a drip like a Christian christening. Jesus Christ, and another one of them gets dipped like a rich tea biscuit. Pulled up and the colour of the suit match colour of the car all black like Batman. I'm a ninja, backflip, handstand. I'ma get you, slipping in your land's ass. 1-2 kick to the door like knockdown ginger, rip off the hinges feet.
What took you to like it? Fuck off, dog. Yo, what the fuck? Now I
pulled up in the colour of the suit, match colour of the car, all black like Batman. I'm a ninja, backflip, handstand. I'ma get you, slipping in your nan's ass.
1-2 kick to the door like knockdown ginger. Rip off the hinges, fingers get bent back like birds off Tinder. Boys get flung out the window.
Fingers get bent back like girls from Tinder. Sorry, guys. Yo, sorry. What the fuck?
Batman, I'm a ninja, backflip, handstand. I'ma get you.
Hey!
1-2 kick to the door like knockdown ginger. Rip off the hinges, fingers get bent back like birds off Tinder. Boy.
I'm sorry. Yo, me never hear an artist say anything like about that in our line before, bro. Yo, right now, I'm telling you, dog, these two are my favorite. Yo, what the fuck,
kick
man?
to the door like knockdown ginger. Rip off the hinges, fingers get bent back like birds off Tinder. Boys get flung out the window. Come like what's on a picnic. Run up and sting you, spin you all the way round like ink rollers inside of an HP printer. You better hope this thing don't jam.
What's the plan, stand?
Yo, crying, bro.
Round like ink rollers inside of an HP printer. You better hope this thing don't jam.
What's the plan, stand? I knocked a man down and dropped the van down by the side of the flat. So can you come down and clean the boot out? I need to get back for the start of the match. Couple cans of the chiller, our man's quite big, but the handgun's bigger. Yeah, just stand and deliver. You can throw fish, but the mash bang quicker.
Fresh bang wallop, big fat dollop. A cash in me hand chain ain't like bollocks. Looking pillock, talking trollop. Box a man back like a munching jollof. God willing, I might
Bounce up like a munching jollof. You know about jollof rice?
ain't like
Big up all of the African there.
Deliver, you can throw fish, but the mash bang quicker.
fresh bang wallop, big fat dollop. A cash in me hand chain ain't like bollocks. Looking pillock, talking trollop. Box a man back like a munching jollof. God willing, I might just drill him. Things in me head from the scraps I've been in. Go 10 rounds of a man, I'm winning. I ain't gonna stop till the bell starts ringing.
Go 10 round with a man, I'm winning. I ain't gonna stop till the best. Yo!
Things in me head from the scraps I've been in. Go 10 rounds of a man, I'm winning. I ain't gonna stop till the bell starts ringing.
Ding-a-ling-ding on the fruit machine.
You hear the come in? So the bell stop. Ain't gonna stop till the bell start ringing. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, that's the fruit.
Rounds of a man, I'm winning. I ain't gonna stop till the bell starts ringing.
Ding-a-ling-ding on the fruit machine. Spend the winnings on Gucci jeans. Gaggle of the girls and they're super keen. They wanna kick back and the boots are clean. Super kings and a bottle of bourbon. Let that rip when I whip it that German. Grab that stick, then I dip it and swerving. Flick up the wrist and I left him gurning.
Rooftop down, I'm on the top turn. I just stepped out in a fresh Ben Sherman.
Brand new tricks and I'm out here learning. I'm an old dog, still I'm out there serving.
I was locked in an HMP, cut from the rough, I'm a diamond goose.
Boots full of them flat screen TVs. Del boy pick 'em to recognise me.
Charge, I step in a dancing slide. 2 hands on my hips and glide.
Now I see why my comment section full from last week for react to this. Now I see why. No, I see it from last week, but I was really busy at work. I was really busy, so I couldn't really get like, if I'm not in the right frame of mind, I will not react until I'm ready. So now I see why DMs and comments so react to Peter and Bass Sindhu Sesh. I see why now.
He's Del boy pick 'em to recognise me.
Charge, I step in a dancing slide. 2 hands on my hips and glide. If a man tries to act too hard, then he'll get cemented, build his side.
I'll open up his ears if you didn't quite hear me. Your man got shelled on Big Bang Theory. If you wanna get loud and you wanna get Larry, then it's back up my man's head airy.
Nah, son, you don't wanna bop, get stepped on.
You wanna get loud and you wanna get Larry, then it's back up my man's head airy.
Nah, son, you don't wanna bop, get
Bang Theory. If you wanna get loud and you wanna get Larry, then it's back up my man's head airy.
Nah, son, you don't wanna bop, get stepped on, crept up, can't get split like Chevron.
Wake up, son, cause we're the most slept on. Get gone more than I'm chucking that vest on.
One more word and I'm bringing them bings there, nuts and bolts and a couple more things there.
Dust and dirt if you're talking trash, and I turn and skirt and I take you to bins out.
Bin man, get wrapped up in a bin bag, been there, done that, got that.
Blood on my t-shirt, rinse and wash and spun that box of the corn just packed in a bum bag.
Pop with a red dot, rip shot, punch bag, pull up outside, cannon on me like gun damn.
Submachine gun, tell a man run that, having his jewels and I'm off to his mum's ass.
What?
Submachine gun, tell a man run that, having his jewels and I'm off to his mum's ass.